Mahal, you were just threatened by Maria Armani. Ikaw mismo nagsabi hindi natin alam kung anong susunod niyang gagawin.
I saw my life flash before my eyes, but I survived. Bruises and scars don't faze me. They are my armor. I hide within. Velma Beauty, bright and light concealed. Embrace the pain from your experience and let your strength shine.
Velma Beauty is not anymore premium. Because she's old. I'm working hard. You're working hard? Or you're working hard social climbing? Bakit ka kumukontra? She will be your successor to your throne.
Hindi. Buhay pa ako. Walang papalit sa akin.
Parang wala kayo sa sarili niyo.
Velma? Velma? Naintindihan mo ba ako?
Alam ko pong threaten kayo kay Shari. But come on, you are Velma Imperial. The true queen of Velma Beauty.
Han, I'm home. Huh? Hello. What's the occasion?
When I realized I can't just sit here all day at home. We're already at war. This is Velma 2.0. Prepared and ready for battle.